guys, thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be doing a swipe and then using a balloon to create what looks like some flowers. I'm laying down the various colors for my swipe, all of which are mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water plus 1 drop of silicone oil. For those of you who regularly watch my channel, you know that I usually add a specific swipe color to do the swipe, like the white that I added in this painting. Today though, I'm just going to swipe over the colors that I have on the canvas without adding a swipe color. To do that, I'm using a piece of plastic that I cut out from the plastic that the canvas came packaged in. Okay, so that's looking good. I just want to swipe over the bottom section again with my palette knife to create some movement for the leafy section of the painting. I'm adding a bit more paint to do that just because the bottom section is a little bit low on paint. To create the flowers, I'm going to be using a balloon that's slightly filled with water. I'm just pressing down gently and then carefully lifting the balloon directly back up. Now I'm using a toothpick to add a few drops of yellow paint to the center of each flower. I'm happy with how this one turned out. I love how colorful some of the flowers are, and I like the little yellow centers. Thanks very much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.